Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Conversation Lounge, the place where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Jake. Hello, Zoe. And hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's always great to be here with you.
It really is. Recording this show is one of my favorite parts of the week. So, Jake, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I feel energetic. I slept very well last night.
Oh, that's fantastic. Good sleep makes such a big difference. I'm happy to hear that. And me? My day is great. I'm especially excited because I love today's topic.
I'm excited too, but you didn't tell me the topic yet. You said it was a surprise.
That's right. Today, we're talking about something super helpful daily conversations you must know.
Ah, daily conversations. That sounds really useful.
It is. We're focusing on English you need in real life, not just classroom English.
I like that. Real English for real life.
Exactly. We'll talk about shopping, ordering food, asking for help, everything you use every day.
That sounds great. Listeners will really enjoy this one.
I think so too. But before we start,
Yes, we have a small request for our listeners,
if you enjoy learning with us, please tap the subscribe button
and give this video a like.
and share this episode with a friend. Learning together is always better.
It helps the channel more than you know.
All right, Jake.
Yes, please do.
Ready to start?
I'm ready. Where do we begin?
Let's start simple. Shopping.
Yes, clothes, groceries, anything.
We all shop. First phrase, I'm just looking around.
Very useful when a worker asks, "Can I help you?"
You walk into a clothing store.
The worker smiles and says, "Hi, do you need help?"
You answer politely, I'm just looking around.
Perfect, simple, friendly.
And if you like something,
You say, "Excuse me, do you have this in medium?"
good one.
Or, "How much is this?"
Classic shopping English.
Real life English.
Now, restaurant English.
I love food stories.
First phrase, could I see the menu, please?
Very polite.
You enter a cafe, you sit down,
The server comes.
you smile and say, could I see the menu, please?
Later, when you're ready, you say,
I'd like the chicken sandwich.
"And for drinks?"
I'll have a lemonade, please.
If you need something else, you say,
Excuse me, can I get some water?
and when you finish eating,
Could we have the bill, please?
very natural restaurant English.
English at work super important.
Yes, very common for our listeners.
First phrase, could you help me with this?
Friendly and professional.
You're at work. You have a report.
It's a bit confusing.
You ask a coworker, could you help me with this?
And if you need time,
Say, I'll get it done soon.
or "I'll send it later today."
Good work phrases.
Clear and simple.
For meetings, you can say,
Can we talk about this now?
or let's take a look.
Real English for real work.
Now, English at home.
Very relaxed English.
First phrase, did you sleep well?
Warm and simple.
Morning at home.
Your friend or family walks in,
You ask, did you sleep well?
and they answer, "Pretty well," or "Not really."
Another home phrase is,
"Do you need anything?"
very kind.
Also, "I'll be right back."
Yes. Easy home English.
Now we travel.
One of my favorite topics.
First phrase, where is the bus stop?
Perfect for beginners.
You're in a new city.
You look lost.
You ask a stranger, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?"
And they answer, it's down the street.
Another travel phrase.
How long does it take?
For example, how long does it take to get to the airport?
Very useful.
And in hotels?
Could I have a room key, please?
Real, simple travel English.
Asking for help is important.
Yes, people get nervous, but it's easy.
First phrase, sorry, could you repeat that?
Very friendly.
Example story. Someone speaks fast.
You smile and say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Another phrase. What do you mean?
Not rude.
Just asking for clarity.
Another useful one.
Can you show me?
Yes, Very common.
English with friends is fun.
Very casual English.
First phrase, how's it going?
Perfect, friendly greeting.
Example story, you meet your friend after work.
You say, "Hey, how's it going?"
They answer, good. You?
Another phrase, "Sounds good."
Great for agreeing with plans.
Example, "Let's watch a movie later."
Sounds good.
Easy.
And another, no worries.
Very friendly.
Example, sorry I'm late. Finally, English with strangers.
Soft, polite English.
First phrase, excuse me.
You need this everywhere.
You bump into someone,
You say, "Excuse me."
or when asking a question.
Another phrase, "Can I ask you something?"
Very polite. Thank you so much.
Simple, friendly,
And if someone thanks you,
"You're welcome."
these conversations happen every day.
And these phrases make English feel natural.
Practice them this week.
Try one in each situation.
Shopping, restaurant, work, home.
Travel, friends, strangers,
You'll sound more confident.
and more fluent.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We enjoy these lessons with you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing English.
Bye for now.
Bye.